Chef here, once again, busting some moves in one of the kitchens. I thought I'd share a few things with you. So I got the mandolin going right here. This is one of those cuts, you just can't do it with a knife. It doesn't matter how good you are with the knife, how sharp your knife is. There is no way you're going to take your knife and make this thin, this consistent of a cut right here, okay? These are beautiful. So think about that. Make sure you got the right equipment. A lot of my videos focus on equipment. This right here, this is the right equipment, okay? This is a Braun mandolin made in France. Heavy duty model, love it. And that is what's allowing me to make these cuts right here. Uh-huh.